So, the most important thing when starting out in Blender is knowing how to navigate the 3D viewport. The 3D viewport is where we do the bulk of our work in Blender, as it's where we can model, animate, sculpt, and do a whole lot more. So, to rotate the view, click and hold the middle mouse button. If we want to pan our view, then we need to hold Shift and the middle mouse button like so. And to zoom in or out, we can simply scroll our mouse wheel. These are the most fundamental elements when it comes to moving around in Blender. Furthermore, there are preset orthographic views that we can choose from. In Blender, orthographic views simply mean views without depth. Using our keyboard, there are two ways of going into an orthographic view. If your keyboard has a numpad, then you will be able to use both methods. The first way is to use the tilde key on our keyboard, which is located directly above the tab key. When I press this, it brings up a selection of views that I can choose from. We can go to top view, bottom view, right view, and even camera view, which I should mention is not an orthographic view. If we want to exit any of these views, all we need to do is click and drag our middle mouse button. The secondary method is for those who have a numpad, where each number corresponds to a different view. As I don't have a numpad on my keyboard, you'll have to play around with it for yourself, but I'll put the numpad keys on screen now for you to test out this method for yourself. That's it for the basics of navigation in Blender. In the next video, we will cover objects and transformations.